Good afternoon. George Cavaligos for HFTBonds and Notes. I hope you caught the trade last night, guys. A little bit of a rally during the Asian session again, and as soon as London opened up at 2 o'clock this morning, they started pounding the market. Came in this morning, I think notes had traded down to the old lows at 132.20, and I think bonds were trading around, I don't know, 146.13, which was yesterday's low. And we didn't get a whole lot the rest of the day. We did see some minor new lows. 10 years get down to 132.17, and the bonds are just sitting right on this 146.06 level. We had spoke about 146.04.05 as kind of a pretty important support area. If we do take that out, which it looks like we're trying to do, we should see the 145.26.27 level. I imagine going into the 10-year auction tomorrow, the longs will continue to liquidate out of London, and I imagine we'll see some more hedge pressure here in the States like we've been seeing all day today. This kind of quiet working the offer trade. Nobody's hitting bids, it doesn't look like, but they're just working the offer, kind of methodically working their way into some hedges. I'm still sitting with my long from earlier this morning. I was betting on adding to that position if the 10-year had traded down towards that 132.16, 16 plus level. I never added, and I don't know if I'm going to hang around much longer with this trade. I'm a little bit early, I guess, as usual. You guys that follow me know that I'm quite early oftentimes. I'm going to kind of hang on to it right now. I'm betting on, again, a little bit of a lift out of Asia. Early this morning after the German, what was it, factory orders or industrial production number that came out, much stronger than expected. The bond market got hit in Europe, and we had heard some talk from reliable sources that they were seeing some pretty heavy buying of bonds by the Asian central banks. So I think we'll see some buying out of Asia again tonight. I'm looking for a bit of a bounce. If we can get the 10 years back up to that 28.30 area, I'll definitely get out. And if we can get up towards 25, I'll probably even get out. I don't want to wear this thing through the 10-year auction tomorrow. I'd rather, clean up my plate and try to buy a lower low tomorrow in front of the 10-year. Again, no data really. I think China trade balance tonight, very late. That was kind of a market mover last time. I think it gave it was a lot stronger than expected last month. I think it gave the equities kind of a bit of a boost and put some pressure on treasuries. So kind of keep an eye on that. Keep it in the back of your mind. They don't really have a set time, unfortunately, so you're going to have to kind of be nimble if you're a night owl. So the game plan, you got it. I'll see you tomorrow morning.